In today's video, I'll show you how to turn one prompt into a full short film, fix the consistency problem that ruins most AI video, then find a real Upwork project and let Claude do the work and write the winning proposal for you. Real skills, real income. All right, first thing, hit the link in the description. That'll take you to this page. From here, just click Login. You can sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, click on MCP and CLI. Now, there are a few different ways to use this, but the most common setup right now is using Higgsfield with Claude, so let's do that. Once you're signed in, click on your profile icon at the bottom left, then click Settings, then Connectors, and then click Add Custom Connector. Name it Higgsfield. Now for the MCP server URL. Go back to the Higgsfield page, copy this URL. Go back to Claude, paste it in the URL field, and click Add. Then click Connect, and when it asks for permission, just click Allow. And that's it. Open a new chat, and you're good to go. Start creating videos, images, whatever you need. It's all connected to Higgsfield now. So first, let's test this with just one prompt. I'm going to tell it to create a character sheet for Moses, and then use that to keep the character consistent across every shot. The goal? Create a whole movie about Moses from this single prompt. For this one, I just give it a single prompt and it handles the rest. It creates scene after scene automatically. I don't have to type out each prompt myself. It writes the prompts on its own, keeps the character locked in, and the action and story just progress naturally based on the narrative. So here's the thing with text to video. You can literally create a whole movie from just one prompt, which is insane. But the catch? Character consistency. Claude can lock in the character, but when you're only describing them with text, the look still drifts scene to scene. Keeping things perfectly consistent is still tough from text to video. Now let's try image to video. I've got some pictures here that I want to use as elements in Higgsfield. So first, I'll add them to my account as elements, name each one, and give a quick description. Then we'll generate video using them. So I've already added two images, a man and a woman, but I'm going to add more elements. Let's try animals too, so we can throw them into the video. I've got a picture of a dog here, so let's add it to the elements. Just select the image from your drive. Once it uploads, click Add to Element. Let's name it Golden Retriever. And for the description, put something like, a golden retriever with a fluffy light golden coat and floppy ears. Then hit Create and click Check Eligibility. Once that's done, it's ready to use. And let's throw in a monkey too. We can use that in the video as well. So we've got our elements loaded. Now I'm going to tell Claude to use them to create the short video. I'm not writing a separate prompt for each shot. I'm just telling the story how I want it and letting the AI handle the rest. I'll leave this preset prompt. It works like a little instruction file in the description for you. Just customize it or add a bit about your own story. Make sure your characters are set up as elements in Higgsfield and connected to Claude, and then Claude becomes your director and helps you build the whole thing. I tell it to use Seedance 2 at 1080p, and I let it decide the video duration for each shot based on what's happening. Short for a quick glance, longer for dialogue, whatever makes sense. One thing I add, I tell it to wait after each shot for me to type continue. If I don't say that, it'll just blast through the whole film automatically, which you can do. But I want to check each shot first in case I don't like something. I can hit recreate before moving on. So Claude's already detected the elements I added, and it's generated the first scene. Here's how this actually works, based on what I tell it. Claude writes out a full text prompt, one that points to my elements, and sends that straight into Higgsfield. Higgsfield is connected to Claude through something called MCP. So that prompt lands in Higgsfield exactly as if I'd typed it in there myself. The only difference is I'm doing all of it from the Claude chat instead of inside Higgsfield, because the two are linked. And that's the key part. Claude isn't generating the video itself. Higgsfield's models do that. Claude is the director, I tell it what I want, it writes the prompt, and Higgsfield brings it to life. So I just type continue and it generates the next scene.
Hey, let's go for a walk. Now, I just sat down. Trust me, evening's perfect.
First scene came out at 5 seconds, second one's 8, So Claude's the one deciding how long each shot needs to be, no wasted credits, no dead space,
Evening's perfect.
and it just keeps going scene after scene, all based on the story I gave it. I told it no music because if there's background music in the generated clips, it won't match from scene to scene. That'd ruin the whole thing. So I generate everything clean, no music, and then I can add my own background track after. That way it flows smooth and consistent through every shot, like one continuous piece. So some shots don't come out right. This one's got 2 dogs, both the man and the woman ended up with one, but only the woman should have a dog. When that happens, I just hit recreate and run it again. Or I can tell Claude to be more specific, like only the woman has a dog, and reprompt it. One problem though, the monkey and the dog voices are not consistent, so I'm going to fix those with a voice change. And this is actually the fix for that voice drift problem we ran into earlier. Instead of hoping the prompt nails it, I just lock the voice here after the fact. I'll head into Higgsfield and open my assets. Everything I've made, whether it was generated through Claude or here in the Higgsfield web app, all of it lands here. So I'll find the monkey and the dog and swap their voices so they're consistent too. Let's see what voices are available.
I'm Leo. Think of me as the guy who's actually played.
For the monkey, let's go with Leo. That one sounds funny, it'll work. It only costs 1 credit, so it's almost free.
For a walk.
And for the scenes where the monkey or the dog doesn't have any dialogue,
Come on,
I
let's
won't
go.
need to change the voice. There's nothing to fix there, so I'll just skip those.
Roger! There he is.
A voice that's high energy, fast paced, and
And for the dog, let's take Zane. Now I'll run the voice change. Okay, after changing all the voices, let's see what we've got.
hey, let's go for a walk.
Now, I just sat down. Trust me, evening's perfect.
Beautiful night, huh?
Sure is, Roger.
Roger! There he is.
Friend of yours, Biscuit?
Biscuit, my guy! Took you long enough.
Hi. I'm Sam. This is Roger.
I'm Maya, and this troublemaker is Biscuit.
Now here's the thing. I downloaded both versions, the original clips and the voice changed ones. For the shots where the man and the woman are speaking, I'm sticking with the originals. That's because the voice change isn't selective, it revoices the whole clip. So if I use the changed version on those, it'd swap the man and woman's voices too, and theirs were already good. So originals for the human dialogue shots, voice changed versions for the monkey and dog shots. There are different ways to change the voice of your characters to keep them consistent, but the method we used here is just one example, using Higgsfield's preset voices. Okay, now let me show you how you can earn real money using Claude and the Higgsfield MCP. Not theory, real projects, real clients, real income. Here's the idea. You sign up for a freelance platform like Upwork. Real clients post real projects every single day, all looking for someone to do the work. And with Claude on your side, you can show up as the expert, even with 0 prior experience. Claude does the heavy lifting, you just direct it. After signing up, you can search through tons of jobs that Claude and Higgsfield can handle together. Let me show you one real example. I'll search children's book illustrator. Look at this. Tons of jobs in this one niche. Posted an hour ago, 5 hours ago, new ones rolling in constantly. Let's grab the top one. This kind of work can realistically bring in a few $100s a day once you're landing projects, with Claude acting as the expert and telling Higgsfield exactly what to do. Now read what they actually want: a 24-page children's picture book, warm watercolor style, a heartfelt family story, and the same family characters showing up on every single page, consistent the whole way through. And that right there is the secret. The hardest part of a job like this, the thing the client is quietly worried about, is character consistency. Most freelancers can talk about it, but they can't prove it. We're going to prove it before we even send a message. Watch this. I copy the entire job post, paste it into Claude, and I say, connect to Higgsfield and look at my elements, and write prompts to create more elements using GPT Image 2 needed by this job. I want to show this as a demo for this job. Claude connects to Higgsfield and pulls up the elements I already have. Then it gets to work. It designs a brand new family for this exact book, a mom, a dad, 2 kids, and a grandma, and writes the prompts to generate them in that warm watercolor storybook style. Here's the clever part. Claude builds every character on the same style recipe, so they all look like they belong in the same book. Then I downloaded all the images and asked Claude for a short description of each character. I just copy the name and the description it gives me, and add each one as an element. And now I've got all the elements locked in for this project, ready for the demo. Then it locks each one in as a reusable element. That lock is what keeps every character looking identical from page to page. So then I asked Claude, now the elements are added, based on the job, create a demo to apply for this job showing I can do the job. Now the fun part, Claude takes those locked characters and drops them into real scenes. A cover, the family around the breakfast table, grandma reading to the kids on the porch, a quiet bedtime moment. Same faces, same family, every scene. We add a few more pages, and now it looks like an actual little book. Then I ask Claude to write the proposal. It leads with the one thing this client cares about most. The consistency, it points them to the samples. Pricing and timeline I keep open, so I can talk to the client first. I drop that into the cover letter, add my sample link, hit submit, and that's it. Now think about what just happened from the client side. Everyone else is saying, trust me, I can do this. You showed up with a finished demo of their actual book that wipes out their doubt and puts you ahead of almost everyone else applying. This is real income you can start building today. So the whole thing, the demo and submitting the proposal, takes less than 40 minutes. In the next video, let's see what the client says back. And if we land the project, the actual work runs the same way, Claude and Higgsfield doing the heavy lifting, delivered in a fraction of the usual time. Need a revision? We just run it again. No more doing it all manually like we used to. And this is just one example. There's work like this posted every single minute. Businesses everywhere are looking for experts to do these jobs. And you can be that expert. UGC content, faceless YouTube videos, ads, so many niches you can take on with Claude and the Higgsfield MCP. So if you're trying to automate your work and put AI to work for you, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.